Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to code a Porsche 992 which model is this? I think 992 2020 to code the flasher, one touch flasher. The flash count from 3 to 5 to 6 or to 7 to whatever you like, and this demo is applied on 2020 Porsche 911 992 which in simulation mode. It is not on real car, but it is going to guide you where to go. So after you connect to the car, you will see on the overview tab, and you go to PCM control number 2, PCM 2. But remember guys, this is in development mode on Piwis 3 release 41.0100, newly released. So after you select PCM2, you go to coding and programming. There you will see some values that can be changed, then select manual code without rules. Manual coding without rules goes next, and then scroll down, goes to flashlight control and go next, and there you go, flashlight control, motorway flashing cycles. This is define the number of flash on your turn signal light. By default is 3. Can change it to 5 or 6 or 7, whatever you like. I think it's on odd number, and the order also you can change. Many things you can change. After you change the number value here, this screwdriver will change from single screwdriver change to screwdriver with pen, and then you goes to F8 or right. You click it, and then it will write to the vehicle, and then the flash will change after that. In this tutorial, it gives error because it is not on real car, because in simulation mode. But if you connect to your car with a good device, it will work. It will change the flash of your turn signal from 3 to 5. Okay guys, happy try. Cheers.